Welcome to AppWiz. Today we're going to show you two different methods to fix the issue where your laptop battery is stuck at 0% and not charging. Method 1. Start by opening the Start menu on your computer. In the search bar, type Device Manager and click on it when it appears. Now, look for the section called Batteries and click the small arrow next to it to expand the list. You should see an option called Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Right-click on this option and select Uninstall Device, then confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Once that's done, we need to reinstall the driver. To do this, right-click on Batteries again and select Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the driver, and you can now check if the charging issue is resolved. Method 2. If it's still not working, try this next step. Shut down your computer completely. Once it's off, press and hold the power button for about 45 seconds. Even after the screen turns off, continue holding the button for the full duration. After 45 seconds, release the power button and try turning your laptop back on. Hopefully, this will have resolved the charging issue. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.